Okay, hello everyone. My name is Dr. Sharier. I hope so all of you are doing well. So as you can see here, we'll give you a little demonstration about the books thing. So as you can see, guys, um, this is the certain thing, we are looking for certain books on AMC. I'm just doing a little. All right. So sorry, I was hearing my own voice, so I just need to turn it off. So we're talking about the books related to AMC, and as you can see, a nice view already. This is me. This is Dr. Sharier. I'm been a tutor for 10 years, and I'm teaching AMC since 2016. And people sound a bit nowadays a little bit expert maybe on AMC, but I'll try my best to give you some more idea what books to study for AMC actually. All right, so the basic book name everyone knows, and that one's name is John Murtagh. As you can see, this one is, we call it often John Murtagh. Apart from that, you can see it in John Murtagh. Nowadays in the 7th edition, then there is Master the Board. Then there is Emcee Handbook, which is also one of the official book. So those are having this kind of logo. John Murtagh also have this kind of one of them. So these are official books. Apart from the AMC bestseller, that was is written by B, but currently we're not selling overseas, only confined to Bangladesh. There is RACGP guideline, as you can see. Some of the guidelines are related to RACGP. There's some question banks available in the local markets. Also, you can go to online and subscribe. There are two question bank. Those are popular. Like one of them is MCQ Bank. Another one is Amedex Bank. These are popular banks. Apart from them, sometimes we take help from the Kaplan series. So Kaplan series are also useful. Sometimes, especially the psychiatry one, I repeat, especially the psychiatry one is very, very useful. Apart from that, there are books like Anthrology, Anthropometry. Those are, I think, very old books. Like, nowadays, very less thing is covered. In our academy, we also told about that, like, what are the exact thing that is necessary from anthropology or anthropometry, so that they don't have to waste time. The same goes with John Murtagh. We also cover those things nicely, that exact specific thing. Also we do give notes. Okay, for the screening thing, this apple shape, this thing, like the red book is important. And medical ethics, I think I would recommend 100 case of medical ethics. We're also publishing one very soon, medical ethics one. All right, so these are the certain things about the books, but the original list for the books are quite big actually. So original list, if we see for a while, oh hi, this is Dr. Shay. Okay, I hope so everyone is doing well. So the original book list, if you want to see for a second, let me show you the original one. So in the original one, if I show you, they started with John Murtagh 7th edition, as you can see in the box, the John Murtagh 7th edition. This is very, very important. And initially, it's quite tough to study, but with time, things will be fine, in terms of the studies. Then Master Report, as you mentioned, Medical Ethics, Emcee Handbook. Then there's Kaplan book. Sometimes we also use during the classes some of the sections, some of the chapters, which is not really nicely given in John Murtagh. So sometimes we just take a little help. Apart from them, there are Linian Jones that can be also useful. All right. So apart from that, there could be Thizenda. So Thizenda, the textbook of surgery. So that can be also useful. And also very, very important, uh, Red Book and Kaplan Psychiatry. Kaplan Psychiatry is so important. Kaplan Psychiatry, AMC Handbook, and John Murtagh. These three books I usually suggest to buy the even hard copy. So it's that important. So this is so important. You can skip some of the books like No need to buy hard copy like Thies and Linian Jones. You can just survive with the soft copy. That's fine. Also, Kaplan surgery. Kaplan has every type of books, guys. Like some people ask these things. And also, surgery Oxford Handbook. You see this one? Sometimes some of the sections are helpful. Actually, it's coincide. It's too coincide. Sometimes I would say it's okay for PLAB. Actually, it's not enough for AMC, to be honest. Janmutak patient education. Some doctor asked me, doctor, patient education book. So patient education book. How to know patient education book? Basically, uh, this one. I mean, it's basically confined to MC clinical. Actually, not for the MC. Um, MCQ actually, like when a patient is coming, like what you should tell to the patient in layman's word, or what the patient can ask you, and you need to tell those things. So those questions are given here actually. So it's more confined to MC clinical actually, and some of the things like code of ethics, 100 case of medical ethics. There's a pediatric handbook that is we sometimes call RCH guidelines. So you can buy this book, and I think the easiest way we can just type RCH guideline, any topic pertussis, any of those topic like group, you just type RCH guideline next to Google. So that guideline will come, and that is the similar like pediatric handbook. Like, so no need to follow book and get confused, because you can always find the reference in the website, and Australian immunization handbook, and also there's the Australian asthma handbook. So these are the certain books. I think I hope so. These things will help. I'm just in the transmission. I mean, in terms of the just checking the transmissions in YouTube and in the Facebook. I hope so this session will help you. Thank you so much. This is Dr. Sharvir.